How to remove admin from Facebook page. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily remove admin from your Facebook page. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Facebook app. Then tap on the three lines here if you are using Android. If you are using iPhone, the three lines will be here in the bottom right corner. Then here you will need to switch to your page. So tap on this arrow, then from here select the page and wait for it to switch. And after you have switched to the page, again tap on the three lines, then tap on your page name, then here tap on manage. Now here in manage, scroll down, tap on here page access in tools, tap on page access. Then here you will see who are the admins of the page. So in you will be you, and here is the other people that are admin. So to remove other people from admin, tap on the three dots in the right side of them, then here tap on remove from page. Then you have to enter your Facebook password here, so enter it, and after entering password tap on confirm and wait for a few seconds and the person will be removed. So this is how you can remove admin from Facebook page. Thanks for watching.